In this video, I'll be showing you how to change download location in Windows 10. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can do it on literally anything you're using, whether you're on like a desktop PC or your laptop, providing that you are on Windows 10. So the first thing you want to do, it really just depends on what you're using, but what you want to firstly go ahead and do is open up your file explorer. So I'm going to press Windows and E, and now it's going to look something like this. Now I want to look at the left-hand navigation bar and then look for downloads. Right click the folder icon, and then I'm going to see properties as one of the options. And all I want to go ahead and do now is inside the properties panel window, click on the location tab, which is going to be this top one right here. Now I'm going to see a text display field saying this is where downloads is going to be. So if I want to go ahead and change my download location, I'm going to be able to change it to whatever file path I want. I can even press move, and then I can change it to anything I want by searching for it. And then that's literally it. Once I'm happy with it, go ahead and press apply and then press OK, and then you'll be good to go.